Have you ever wondered how hard your CPU is working while gaming, editing videos, or running heavy apps? Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the CPU Check application, customize it, and add a Windows 11 widget so you can monitor your processor in real time without opening Task Manager. In CPU Check, you'll be able to see CPU chip information, CPU usage in real time, CPU voltage and temperature if your hardware supports it. Design. In CPU Check, you can customize the look of the processor display. You can choose between a bar progress indicator or a circle. To switch to the circle design, click on the Settings tab. At the top, change the selection box to Circles. Go back to the Home tab and you will see all your processors displayed as circles, giving you a better overview. If your hardware supports it, you will also see the temperature and voltage below. On the same settings page, you can also customize the color of the user interface. Change the radio button to System Theme to use the operating system's color. If you select the Custom Theme radio button, you can set your own background color. If you click the Pin It button, the sidebar will be hidden and the panel will stay on top of all your open windows. Any settings you change are saved automatically, so you don't need to click a Save button. Windows 11 Widget. You can add your CPU information also as widget in the Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select CPU Check from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. There isn't just one Windows 11 widget. Below, you'll see radio buttons that let you choose from several different widgets you can add. Let's add all of them. You can now see the widget board, which works like a control center for monitoring your CPU usage. It displays the total CPU usage bar, usage for each processor core, active processes, a CPU usage graph, and a table with information about your CPU chip. By clicking the three-dot icon, you can change the widget size to small, medium, or large, depending on which widget you selected. This also works well with both light and dark mode appearances. So, I'll open the settings page and switch my Windows 11 appearance to dark mode. Then, when I reopen the Windows 11 widget board, you'll see that all the widgets now have this beautiful dark user interface. And that's how you can monitor your CPU with a simple app and Windows 11 widget. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.